parang surreal siya. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na magkakaroon talaga. Kasi parang ang expect namin, kung meron man, okay. Kung wala, parang okay din. Ganon. Pero nung dumating siya, nung na-confirm, syempre masaya. Ayaw mo nang bitawan.
Back to you.
Kira Juliana, ikaw ay binibinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
It was back in November, no, nung nalaman namin na buntis siya. And gaya nga sinabi niya, it was a surreal experience. Hindi naman namin in-expect talaga na meron kasi nga nahirapan kami. Meron man o wala, magiging masaya ako. Pero mas lalong naging masaya nung nalaman namin. No, kahit siya naman, actually, parang previously, wala rin naman siyang, hindi niya nakikita immediately.
When you walked into this room, you hardly knew anyone.
Yung lagi lang naman namin pinagpe-pray ko sa kanya. Maglaki niya, maging masaya siya, maging safe lagi. Maging mabuting tao. Ganyan. Ayusin yung buhay.
Somebody cheat, somebody get low or get high. So come on all you people with 2 feet on this floor. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Soul, throw your hands in the air, throw your hat in the rain, throw your hips and your heart into everything. Get lost in the crowd, get down on the floor, let's dance with everybody who came through that door.
Wala naman ako ibang mahihiling bilang tatay, no? Kundi of course, unang-una, yung good health niya. Sana wag na maulit yung na-confine siya sa NICU. Then of course, lumaki siya na mabait, no? Na may good relationship, no? Sa amin mga magulang, lalong-lalo na kay mami niya.
Ba't sa
And then syempre ay mag-aral ng mabuti kasi aminado naman kami, hindi naman kami mayaman. And yet, meron naman kaming minsan capability na i-send siya sa isang decent school. And we hope, no, ano man yung gusto niyang tahakin na kind of, let's say, education program or career, sana mag-excel siya doon. Kasi in the end, gusto naming maging independent siya and strong, of course, one day.
Yes.
Came through that door.